Welcome back, everybody. This is Eric here with Iraq Veteran 8888. Okay, you guys might recall a video that we did some months ago, or where we talked about the what's in the bag, right? And we discussed sort of my gray man laptop bag, outfitted with a PCC and some extra mags, medical gear. I wanted to show you Chad's bag, all right? And we thought that in this particular video, we would pose the question, how small can you get an AR-15? And what we mean is, can we conceal an AR-15? Well, the answer, boys and girls, we absolutely can. I'm going to show you here. This is an AR500 Phoenix armored backpack. We've done quite a few videos on these things, but check it out. All right. This is going to probably surprise some of you. Okay, we've got an AR-15 pistol with the Sylvan Arms folding stock / brace adapter. Okay, so now I can get that out there. Okay, we're going to lock the bolt to the rear, but wait a minute, we've got a full magazine in the gun ready to go. Our optics good to go. Where's the barrel assembly? Well, we've got the Dolos 7-inch barrel assembly. Okay, that drops on, and now, boys and girls, we have an AR-15 that is ready to shoot right out of this small backpack here. This backpack's also outfitted with armor, medical, all kinds of useful gadgets, charging accessories, and a very nonchalant gray man looking type of setup. Let's see if our Dolos works just fine here, okay? All right. Okay, a little manual of arms issue there on my part. So to put this thing back into the backpack, there's also room in the backpack for a couple of additional magazines. Okay, so we do have some extra magazines. We're going to lock the bolt to the rear, remove the Dolos assembly. Okay, all you do is just twist. Now, we've already done a video on the Dolos just as an assembly. This is a 7-inch barrel, and we've got a Warthog from Spike's Tactical on here, which is a booster assembly, not unlike what you would see on like an AK-74 with those boosters. It's meant to be a booster that works well for shorter barrels. So this is a 7-inch barrel. I got this particular Dolos as a really early one, and I got this one from Tim at Military Arms Channel. He gave me this particular one to play around with and mess with, so that's what that is. So once we pull the Dolos off, now we let the bolt go back forward gently. We don't want to let it fly around. And then we collapse, fold the brace mechanism, and now we've got this thing nice and compact. Now, if we want to stage this thing back up with a loaded magazine, we could certainly do that. Now it's obviously on me to make sure. I think I hit the magazine release when I was pulling this thing out of the backpack before, and then that of course caused the round to not chamber on the first go round there, but we're just going to put this back in there like that. Look at that. Nice and compact. All right, that's our empty mag. We'll stick that back in there for show. And of course our Dolos barrel assembly. Plenty of room in this backpack, and the way that this medical pouch or this possibles pouch can kind of fold out of the way on this Phoenix backpack, we fold it back in, and look, that holds it in there nice and sturdy, and the whole assembly is back together. How cool is that? All right, so one more time. I'll shoot another mag. All right, kind of quick here. Get her out. Yeehaw! So, to answer your question, and maybe it's a question that you didn't even know was a question. How compact can you get your AR-15? There's your answer, okay? This is a pistol build, okay? Just want to quickly mention. You know, you could set something like an SBR up this way if you wish. This is a pistol build. The gun cannot be fired in the folded configuration. So it's generally true with most folding adapters, regardless of the brand. In this case, we're running Sylvan Arms, which is a great folding adapter. It is not designed to fire open. It will cause issues. Do not fire this thing closed. I meant to say closed. It is designed to be fired open. So when you're looking at something like an AK pistol or a PCC that doesn't require a buffer assembly like you would see on an AR-15, you can fire those closed. So that is one advantage to those types of systems. When you start looking at things like the SIG 5.56 or other 5.56 variants that don't require that type of a system, such as the Robinson Armament rifles, they use obviously a folding brace that you can set up. So there is that option. But the AR as a gun design, this is about as compact as it gets while still maintaining a good amount of power, okay? This pistol in 5.56 with its 7-inch barrel is generating about 700 foot-pounds of energy, whereby a 9mm is generating roughly about half of that. So it just depends. I mean, I'm shooting 80 yards and I'm shooting obviously very fast. I'm not shooting super accurately, but you gotta think, this is a 7-inch barrel. So this type of configuration for a personal defense weapon, especially in such a compact package, I could take a fresh mag and put in there if I wanted to, and then just put this sucker back in the backpack. Okay, fold her all back up, and nobody's the wiser. So this gives you basically good rifle power in a very compact package that can go just about anywhere. And this is also an armor backpack, guys. It has level 3A armor in it. So it's to protect you from pistol threats. You got your medical, you've got room for a handgun and a few mags, and a folding AR with the Dolos system gives you basically a nice short package that you can deploy and definitely extend the range of your defense capabilities out of your backpack. So just something to think about, guys. Have a great day. I definitely want to thank all of you for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. This was just meant to be a look at Chad's Phoenix backpack from AR500. Really cool piece of equipment. And you don't have to use a backpack like this, guys. You can use whatever backpack you've got laying around. In fact, the more gray man, the better, right? Who knows? Maybe you'll be going to the mall with your Dora the Explorer backpack. I'm pretty sure you might get some weird looks, but oh, what is it like from the movie Red when he's walking around with the pig that has the 500 Magnum in it? Nobody would have ever expected him to pull a revolver out of a stuffed pig. So see, you gotta think that way, guys. You never know. But guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Definitely want to take a moment to thank all of our Patreon supporters, those of you who purchase man cans, t-shirts over on Ballistic Ink, all the merch and paraphernalia we sell. We appreciate it. Have a great day. See you next time.